Hello, my lovely students. I hope you're fine. Today's lesson will be about farm animals, the animals that live in the farm. Let's learn together. The first animal is a cat. It is a cat. Now, this is a chicken. Chicken. Now, this is a cow. It is a cow. It is a dog. Dog. This is a donkey. Donkey. It is a duck. It's a duck. I love this animal. It is a horse. Horse. Now, this is a mouse. It is a mouse. It is a pig. Pig. This is a rabbit. It is a rabbit. I know you love this animal. It is a sheep. It is a sheep. Now, this is a very slow animal. We call it turtle. It is a turtle. Look at this cute animal. It is a bird. It is a bird. Look at this beautiful animal. It is a fish. Fish. The fish lives in the water. Now, let's see all the animals all over again. Bird, fish, duck, cat, dog, mouse, cow, sheep, rabbit, turtle, horse, donkey, chicken. We also have a pig. Now, these are our animal friends, animals that live in the farm. We finished our lesson, my lovely students. See you next time. Bye bye.